Hello, and welcome to our short video about the Accurity Business Glossary and Data Catalog solution. We will now show you this solution's main highlights and the added value it can bring you. This solution provides the option for business users to be a part of the data management initiative and consume the prepared content for the business glossary. You are now looking at the Accurity solution, namely at an example of a business term detail of an active customer. You can see how it has been defined while using already defined business terms. Moreover, you can define the type of relations to other business terms in more detail, which creates the basis for a knowledge graph. It is the graphical map of your business term relations. Once you have the business terms defined, the whole company can see these terms by using our Browser Dictionary add-on extension, which will scan any browser page in Chrome or Edge for you, underline those business terms which match with text on the page, and show you the definition on the page. You can also click to be taken directly to the relevant detail in the application. Accurity facilitates not only the creation of such content, but also its maintenance via collaboration features. If you are then interested in seeing where in your data catalog is this business term active customer relevant, you can see the business data lineage diagram, visualizing the relevancies to the data catalog. In this case, we can say the business term active customer is relevant to the DBO customer table in the dataset customer database and to the data field or column active member. This gives you an excellent overview of what your data means, how it is related to each other, how they have been used on websites or, for example, in a report, and where they touch the data sources on the level of tables and columns. If you like the idea behind Business Glossary and Data Catalog, and you think it would benefit your use case, let us know. We would be happy to meet with you online and demonstrate Accurity to you in relation to your particular use case.